Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy bonds in Robinhood. Buying bonds can be a great way to diversify your investment portfolio and earn a fixed income. To get started, you will need to have a Robinhood account. If you do not have one, you can sign up for free on the Robinhood website or mobile app. First, log into your Robinhood account and navigate to the search bar at the top of the screen. Type in the name of the bond you are looking for, or browse through the available bond options. You can filter by type, such as government or corporate bonds, and by term length. Once you have found the bond you want to buy, click on it to view more information. This will include the bond's price, yield, and maturity date. The yield is the interest rate you will earn on your investment, and the maturity date is when the bond will expire and you will get your principal back. Before you buy, make sure you understand the fees associated with the bond. Robinhood does not charge any commission fees for buying or selling bonds, but you may still have to pay a markup or other fees. To buy the bond, click the Buy button and enter the amount you want to invest. You can buy bonds in increments of $1,000. And you will need to have enough cash in your account to cover the full amount. After you have placed your order, it will be executed at the current market price. You can view your bond holdings in the portfolio section of the app, where you can also track their performance and sell them if you need to. It is a good idea to have a long-term perspective when buying bonds, as they tend to be less volatile than stocks but may not offer the same potential for long-term growth. It is also important to diversify your portfolio by investing in a range of different assets, including stocks, bonds, and other securities. In conclusion, buying bonds in Robinhood is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few steps. By doing your research, understanding the fees and risks, and having a long-term perspective, you can use bonds to help achieve your investment goals.